Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. Today is a really good day. I am heading out to go pick up my island. Essentially what that means is I am picking up every single cabinet to put into my closet, and then somewhere between like Tuesday through Saturday I will do the measurements for the top. I do want stone, like a natural stone. I don't want wood. Between now and like the 10th of January, I will be calling to have my guy come in to measure for the top. By the time I come back, my top will be done, okay? But let's get into the outfit. I wanted to just do a little pop of color because I got myself some new sneakers for Christmas, okay? These are my new sneakers. They are New Balances. They kept being advertised on Instagram, and finally I was like, you know what? I feel like I would wear these sneakers all the time. The pants, I don't really know. I stole them from my son's closet. Yes, they're my son's pants, okay? The shirt is very old. It's very much giving circa 2004 Forever 21. As you guys already know, all jokes aside, Forever 21 is no longer open, and so you can't get this shirt. If I do find it somewhere else, oh my gosh, there's a company called Jonah or Joanne or Joa. I'm gonna see if I can find it. This top is $100. So when I saw it at Forever 21 for like $32, I purchased it. And I think I also have it in black. I know for a fact, I just don't know where it's at currently, so I don't want to tell you that I got it in black. But when I purchased it, I purchased one black and one cream, and I'm loving the cream. I love it so much that I think I might purchase it from the other site. It's $100. Who's spending $100 on a shirt? Me. Okay, I love it. And sometimes you may have to buy the dupe so you can know you want the real thing. And so this was the dupe, and now I want the real thing because I can get it in more colors, more shades, and I think it's gonna give me the same fit. But I love how it feels like it has like a built-in bra into it, because your girl's not wearing a bra today. Don't know if you wanted to know that, but just sharing, okay? This right here, my fiance purchased for me like maybe a year and a half ago from Express. They were having like this super clearance sale, and he ended up buying this for me. So I just put everything together. I wanted to wear the bag, but because I'm gonna be like picking up cabinetry, I did not want to like not have a handle on any of the bags. I want to do a little crossbody. I feel like the red and green adds a little bit of color, some more texture on it, but that's my outfit. But we're gonna go get my island. So let's take a look at my closet one more time without the island, because literally in 2 hours, my fake watch, I will have an island, okay? Oh my gosh. So my island is exactly 96 inches big. Maybe, I think it's 93. It's 93. The reason why I'm so elated is because I am going to have the opportunity to fold my clothes, put my glasses up, put my jewelry up. Oh, I don't think you guys understand. I don't think y'all understand. It's gonna be so good. So this side will be my side. This side will be babe's side, but this is the last side that I get to freely twirl in here. After today, I won't be able to twirl in here. Ta-da! All right, you guys. Peace. Hey then. You know, sometimes I do this and it is an absolute fail, and then sometimes I do this and I'm still very shocked. I'm like, damn girl, you did that. This is one of those moments where I'm really like, damn girl, you did that. I did try to save us some money. It ain't like I saved a whole lot. The issue is the cabinet company will only deliver 10 cabinets and do an installation. It's only 6. And so I guess I could have gotten the extra bathroom cabinets, but I didn't want to split the order. The bathroom cabinets won't be ordered for another 3 months, but I don't know if you guys know or don't know, babe goes back to work, and I really wanted to get this island in here by January. So that's what I wanted for Christmas, and so I really wanted to get a lot of our things out of boxes and folded again. And so I was like, all I want for Christmas is this. And so I got it, but I'll be very honest, it was a mistake. It is heavy. This year, my plan is to be very active on the projects. That way you know everything in its full scale.
Hey, pants.
Oh, you saying you need pants?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Each side is 41 inches. Yep. 41 inches here for the walkway. 41 inches here for there. 41 inches behind me. 56 inches in the front. Because I will be using that for Tron hauls for Instagram and for here. I don't really do that great on Tron hauls here on YouTube, so I might not even use it. Let me see what you got. Oh, it's like a dress-up place?
I don't know. You've been there. I haven't been there.
It's a very pretty, like, when you go inside, the tables are nice, but the whole thing is like it's like an indoor botanical garden, because I don't think the flowers are real.
Oh, okay.
But it's like a huge tree.
I wasn't, I'm dressing up more when I step out now.
Okay. So most of the drawers, the very top ones, they're not, I wouldn't go as far as to call these pencil drawers, but they are smaller. And so I do want to go to IKEA or maybe Amazon and see if I can order like glasses organizer, jewelry organizers, and things like that. So all the tops will be used for all of my stuff. Here's the whole shebang. I feel like we discussed this, but just for the sake of it being 2026, I'm just going to regurgitate the same content again, okay? So when I was doing the shelving units, I did do them 14 inches deep. I had a couple of you guys mention that I should have made it deeper. That way the clothing can actually be encased. And when you are designing something so personal and intimate as a closet, you need to know what is going to be the best suited thing for you. Now, I knew for a fact I did not want to leave my bedroom to go look for anything. If you guys know, in most of my closets, it's always been a room that's been outside of the bedroom. This time around, when we were looking for a house, I wanted to get a room that was kind of like butted up to the primary so I could break the wall. That was the plan. When we found this house, and I was like, this is perfect. It's going to give me the closet to put the fragrances and da-da-da-da-da. And so, let me just say, and I feel like I need to explain this. I'm not saying that advice isn't good. I'm just saying, normally, when you're having a conversation that is interior design based, you have to actually talk to the client to find out what they like and what they're looking for in order to give an actual advice. If you're giving advice without knowing the full scale of a plan, it's really falling on deaf ears. That is not to say what you're saying isn't good advice, but it's coming from a place of what you would like to do in your space, right? And so now when you guys see this island come together, it is quite massive, okay? The island itself is 93 inches long, and it is approximately right under, just a hair, 48 inches wide. And with the countertop, it's probably going to be like 52-ish, because I'm going to do like maybe 1.5 inches of a bull nose for the top. I want it to be like a really sharp square, but I know me, I'm so clumsy. I feel like I'm going to hit myself on the hip. And so I think I want it to be bull nose, so that way I could just kind of like slide next to it. But anyway, when you're designing, you have to be able to take full inventory of what the client is in need of, okay? And I was desperately in need of drawers to fold because we don't have dressers. I don't have a credenza. And so this is this. And soft clothes, I absolutely love it. The only thing that I didn't do, which if I was thinking about it, 50-50, I may have done it. I would have probably created a plug in the island so that way I can plug my phone. But other than that, perfect execution in my book. I have left about 56 inch of space here, and honestly it's probably going to end up being 54 because I think I may have to bring this down just a hair because I need to make sure that I leave 42 down here. And because those units were 20 inches deep, it's different. But anyway, right now I have 56. It's gonna be 54. I just wanted to have enough room so if I did a little try on haul, I would still be able to do my thing. You see what I'm saying? And when you come into the closet, I have my island. I'm gonna put my drink down here and all that stuff. And if my girlfriends are sitting around here, we could just pull some of these ottomans and sit and chill and whatever the case may be. Put my hair on here. Put the overflow of fragrance on top of here. More than anything, I can have my floral arrangements living somewhere. It's gonna be like a whole situation. I can't wait for Christmas next year when it's like really that tea. Yeah, I love it. I think, you know, everyone has to find what works for them and what's good for them. And I'm still trying to figure it out. And what I'm trying to figure out is with every single house, I'm trying to put my own identity and signature. Even if it's basic to you, it is amazing to me. And so the biggest thing that you can do for yourself in your home is find your identity and allow that space to actually live and to breathe. Okay? But I love this. I love this. I sketched it. I 3D planned it. I mapped it out. There isn't ever going to be a greater feeling than when you're standing in it. Like, it's just something different. Let me see. Ooh. Let me see. You need a necklace. Your neck. Why didn't you wear the cream color that kind of come up a little bit? The cream one.
Which cream one? Oh, the other cream one?
Yeah.
It would look better.
Yeah. The jacket feels like it's cold outside, but then the V-neck is saying something else. The goal for my closet is to never leave it. See, right about now, I could just put my water right here. I could have been talking to y'all, would have been doing my thing. I really feel good about 2026, y'all. Like, I really feel good. I feel like yeah, I feel comfortable being like engaged and like knowing I'm gonna get married. It just puts my brain, for me personally as a woman, it puts my brain at ease because even though relationships aren't perfect, I feel like mine is really good. It makes me feel like I can relax. You know what I'm saying? Like when I'm single, I'm relaxed. When I'm dating, I'm high stress. And now that I'm engaged, I feel like, ooh, again. So now I can breathe. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I think when I said I'm not the dating type of girl, y'all didn't really understand it. Some of y'all be saying y'all not dating types, and y'all date real good. Real good. I don't date well. My friends can tell you, when it comes to dating, my brain will overthink and I will play every bad scenario in my brain. And then you trying to get to know somebody and you want to make sure that when they say something, or they saying something, or they like, it's so much. It's so much. It's so much. Hey!
What?
I knew it.
What?
Yo, because I was like, did I use all my birthday cards? I did not.
You got some more gift cards?
Yeah, I got some more gift cards.
Wow, it looks like that.
Yeah.
That one got money.
Just like that. And this is from last year's birthday. This year and last year's birthday.
I'm throwing this shit on with the product.
Let me see.
Yeah, it looks clean. Yeah. Leave that bitch in the car. But that shit on not good though. It hurt.
Yeah, you look good. What's your necklace?
I don't know.
Jesus Christ, babes.
Just here. Got them on.
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Making sure they see it, dog.
Don't put that hat back on your head.